With power disconnected, unscrew and remove the back panel to access the compressor compartment. Using needle nose pliers, carefully unplug all wires connected to the driver board. Unscrew the Phillips head screw securing the board. Loosen the adjacent box to expose the plug connection. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect the plug from the three-prong connector. Once unplugged, remove the old board from its position. Insert the new board and plug it into the three-prong connector. Then slide the board into place, aligning the screw mounting hole. Secure the board using the Phillips head screw. Reconnect all wires to the new board. Reattach the rear cover and secure it with screws.